Hello, my name is Caroline. So nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Vozo.
Wazo. Wazo. So Wazo, can you introduce your company?
Okay, our company name is Shenzhen Huidu Technology Co. Ltd. And we are founded in 2009.
Yes.
We are professional LCD and LED display controller.
Okay.
And we are the high-tech company in China.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our products including LED sending card, LED receiver, asynchronous controller, and a single color controller,
Okay.
and the LED video wall processor.
Yeah. So what's how many new products this time we company to take in our exhibition?
In ISE 2021 LED exhibition, we have four series of new
Four series.
products.
Okay. So which one first you want to introduce?
The first time we want to introduce our new 4K asynchronous controller.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Where? Okay, here. There. Okay. So this one, we can see. This one is so big. See. So can you introduce about this product's function?
Okay.
Stay away. Don't worry.
This is our new product. It's a 4K controller.
Yeah.
It's with a control range of 3000 by 2000
3,000
by 2000 pixel.
Okay.
Okay.
So what about the different point about these products?
Different quality.
Compare behind these products
Okay.
because I think the two products is have same function, right?
Yeah.
No, no.
Compared with the older version of the asynchronous controller,
Yes.
this 4K controller with a bigger control range,
Bigger
control range,
Okay.
and this controller support 5G.
5G.
Yeah, 5G
Oh my God,
communication,
5G.
yeah, 5G communication,
So,
and it comes with Wi-Fi. You
Yeah.
can use the mobile application,
phone.
mobile phone like a app,
Computer?
yeah, a mobile phone and a computer.
Yes.
We have a mobile application to
Yeah.
control it through Wi-Fi, or maybe we can through cloud.
should we use some special application to control this?
Yeah, you can download the application from the App Store.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So about this one you want to introduce?
This one is we call this is a small one. It's
Okay.
with a small control range,
Yeah.
and maybe is for compared with the new one. This one made for us older. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
how about the next new product you want to introduce?
Next new product is
What's this one? This one is at the same time control solutions, right?
yeah.
Say, how about this one?
This one is a live controller.
Live
You can. It means you can
You can control what?
control the. You can it connect
Control
with
the
the
screens.
display with the TV.
TV?
So yeah, you can play live video from
Live
the
video
from PC or from
Yeah.
TV box and from also camera.
Camera?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, so special.
That's
What about the other function you want
other
to introduce?
function is
Yes.
also support Wi-Fi.
Yeah,
So
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connection. We also can use the same
Mobile phone.
mobile phone application
Wow.
to switch the video resource.
So intelligent. Wow,
Yeah.
you are so advanced.
Thank
So
you.
what about the others you want to introduce?
Uh,
So at same time, I see you so same products in there,
Uh,
right? There are the same products, no or not
they are different.
different.
Yeah, different. First, they have this one, the old one,
Yeah.
support only two video windows.
Windows
But this one, the upgraded one, we can put four.
4
That's the way to make
double.
we can put four video from camera
Yes.
to one screen together at the same time.
Okay, at the same time.
Yeah, four video.
Oh my God.
You can check one, two,
One,
three,
two,
four
three,
from
Okay.
four camera.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is newest, this is the old.
Yeah, this is the upgraded version.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
okay.
what about the next new product you want to
Next
introduce?
new product is this one here. That's
This
here.
one. Oh, so many. It's so too many.
Yeah.
This one is what?
This is our asynchronous controller.
Oh,
offline controller.
Okay.
Look, this part is a sending card,
Sending card.
and this part is a receiver.
Receiver.
So we combine the sending card and one receiver together.
Okay.
So we can for a small LED screen,
Yeah.
we can use one controller is okay.
Okay.
For like before, you need a sending card and the receiver, and but with our this product, only one device is okay.
Okay. This is a new one
Yeah.
of C series.
C series,
Okay.
and this is the old one.
Okay.
We call it C50C,
C15.
and this is upgraded one. We call it
It's
C60C.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
Compared to the old one,
Yeah.
the new one is comes with Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So we can like other.
going to show our audience.
This is Wi-Fi connection,
Yeah.
and also the 4G function is optional here.
There.
We can put 4G module here.
Okay.
Okay.
And what about the D series?
This series.
No,
Okay.
not the new products, right? This one new product.
This one is a new product.
This one
Yeah,
is
yeah.
new.
Yeah.
New.
Also, this is upgrade compared with the old
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
This one with a relay.
Relay.
Relay means that you can control the AC power switch from remotely through
Okay.
internet.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So what about the next?
Next,
Next is
this is our D series.
D series.
Yeah. This one is a
D60?
controller for lintel LED screen.
Lintel
LED screen. Lintel means small size.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I
yeah,
know.
yeah.
So how about the function?
This function is also use the embedded system,
Yeah.
and it comes with Wi-Fi
Yeah.
and with 4G
Yeah,
memory
4G
memory
I
on
know.
board.
So this can use by the 4G.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So compare the oldest.
It comes with Wi-Fi and 4G is optional.
Okay, I know. So compare this is the older.
Yeah, this is the old one.
This
and
is the old one.
This
This
is the new one. Yeah.
Okay. So what about the U series or E series or W series?
U series and E series is a single color controller for single color.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but the W series.
W series is Wi-Fi.
Oh, especially the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, Wi-Fi.
Which one is new?
This one is new.
Wow, very small.
Like W series, U series, and E series,
Yeah.
they are controller for scoring test controller.
Just a single right?
function, single color. Yeah.
Okay. So how about this function? You can introduce.
And it's with
show it to our camera and the
Yeah.
audience.
it's with Wi-Fi on board.
Yeah.
So we have no need additional Wi-Fi antenna.
Yes.
And it's support four lines, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
4 lines of full color LED module.
Okay.
Okay, yes. And it's suppose we can use a mobile application to configure the LED panel.
Okay.
and,
LED.
Like before, we need a computer or need a view disk to send the program or configure the LED screen. Yeah, but now one controller and
Yeah.
one mobile phone is okay.
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 Wow, it's so simple and convenient. So how about the next products you want to introduce? This one. This there.
Okay,
Okay.
Next product.
There, right? Wow, there are so many people already clothing in there. Okay.
Look,
This
this
is.
we call this product.
Okay, you can set on my side. Okay.
This is digital signage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we use our LCD controller.
This is the screens.
Yeah, this is LCD poster.
LCD.
Poster.
Okay.
Use our LCD controller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use this.
Yeah, yes. The device is installed inside of this
Wow,
device.
it's intelligent.
Yeah, thank you.
So what about the function of this? So this about this products, which one is newest? Which one is old? Can show
This
the
one.
newest. Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so show it to our camera.
This one we call it M30.
M30.
M30
Yeah.
it is a intelligent controller.
Okay.
Support AR,
AR.
support AR, and It uses the CPU of RK3399.
3399.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a four core CPU.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially expect to choose this LED
It's,
and
this is LCD.
LCD.
LCD poster, not
So-
LED.
Oh, okay, LCD. So
Uh,
this product can use the other, for example, LED computer or mobile phones, right?
Yes, this product also support with comes with Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
We can use Wi-Fi
LCD
connection
Wi-Fi connection.
through the mobile application.
Oh,
Okay.
I know.
And this product with HDMI,
Yeah.
HDMI in and HDMI out.
Out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it can connect with our TV box.
Yes.
Yes.
So how about the other products? There are series, right?
The difference from
Different.
this M30
M30.
and this is M21
M21.
and this is we call it
The HD
40
40S.
40S. This one is 4K 4K resolution. Or
Okay,
support
oh,
4K. And
okay.
this one we can use 2K.
2K.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. So
yeah.
how about the other series products? We can choose the next. Going to the next product airing. No. You want to introduce this one?
This one, this
So
one
small.
this is small.
Yeah.
And then the bigger is the advantage is this one is
Yeah.
it's very cost effective.
Affect you?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So how about this one? This series products airing. I see we have the different. This one is about this one on my side. Yes, thank you. So this one is what?
This one we call it post LED screen.
Host LED screen.
Yeah.
So this one is your company was produced the products, right?
Actually, this product is from our partner.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
The receiver inside is use our receiver.
Okay, you use our products to this LCD.
Yeah.
Wow,
LED.
LED. This LED.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Another product earrings. This one is about what?
This one is also LED poster, LCD
poster
Yeah.
to announce your company's
Yeah.
products. So this one is use this
Yeah.
40S. I see this just you
No, this one is use M21.
M21.
But it uses the 4G version, so
4G version.
so we can
Okay.
send the program like a video and images through the internet.
just use this
Yeah.
to
Yeah,
take it.
yeah.
Okay, so this one is last product you want to introduce.
Yes.
So this time you can use one sentence to describe our products or our company to say something to our audience.
Okay. 因为our Huidu technology produce the most software easy operation products like for LED and LCD display, and we have more than 10 years experience in LED and LCD display control solution. Yeah.
Thank you for your introduce. See you next time.